Hi, my name is Erin Rios with Kansas Corn Stem, and today we're going to make oobleck. Did you know that a small percentage of Kansas corn is used in household products and food? So what we are going to do is we're going to take cornstarch and water and make oobleck. So you will have received a popsicle stick and a container that has 4 tablespoons of cornstarch in it. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to get a cup or a bowl and another cup with maybe some water in it, or maybe do the mixing by the sink because you'll need water. So you want to just go ahead and open up that container with the cornstarch and dump all of the cornstarch in your bowl or cup. Okay, and then you're going to want to get a tablespoon, and you're going to want to take 2 tablespoons of water and put it on top of the cornstarch. Okay, and then you're going to want to take your popsicle stick and you're going to want to start stirring the water and the cornstarch together. It's going to, as soon as that water gets to mixing in there, it's going to kind of be harder to mix up. So you're going to want to kind of take it slow so you don't splash it all over the place. But just really take that popsicle stick, go around the edges. You might want to take it and really like slice that cornstarch up like a knife motion almost, and really mix it up until you get all that cornstarch mixed into the water. You want to take your time with this, because if you think that you're going to need more water, you might regret adding it too quickly, because then it'll get really, really runny, and that kind of defeats the purpose of what we're trying to learn with this lesson. So now that you've got it mixed up, I feel like I might need a little bit more water. So I'm not going to take a full tablespoon. I'm just going to do it just a little bit more and get it to a little bit better consistency. Okay, so now I have it all mixed up, and you can see that it's really runny when it's not being touched. But when I start to try to stir it some more, it gets really hard and it's harder to do. So you want to play around with that. You want to stir it fast, stir it slow, kind of move it around. Take it out. Play with it with your popsicle stick. Hold it up high. See how fast it'll run off when it's not touching anything. You can stick your finger in it and see how it's really hard to pick up. Feels like Play-Doh, but then how it runs off your finger, it gets really slimy and just runs right off like liquid. So those are the different kinds of things that you want to do and play with and experiment with it. You can dump it out on the table, move it around on the table, or even on a plate, and see how it moves. When you're all done with it though, it's perfect, because you can just take it and that cornstarch container that we emptied out, you can just put that all right back in there, and you have a storage container for it if you want to play with it later on in the day. You take that, put it all in there, and put the lid back on, and it's all packaged up. That's how you make oobleck. If you have any other questions, you can go to wegrowcorn.com.